Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. And you, sir?
I'm also doing great, ma'am. Thank you so much for asking. So, ma'am,
Okay.
we are meeting the very first time, so I'm very
Yeah.
curious to know about yourself. So, could you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
Okay. My name is Prarthana Sharma. I am from Madhya Pradesh. I had completed my graduation. I am married. I have two kids. Now I am housewife, and yeah, I am learning this language nowadays.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. It sounds good. Now,
And
I
sir,
would like to introduce myself.
yeah.
My name is Vishal Sen. I am
Mhm.
also from Madhya Pradesh, district Ratlam, and I have been working police department since 2014. And
Wow.
simultaneously, I run a YouTube channel for English conversation. That's all
That's
about me, ma'am.
that's good, sir. Yeah. You
So,
are
ma'am,
doing too much
which part of
hard
Madhya
work.
Pradesh?
I am Riva.
Okay, okay, Riva, that's great. This is very
Yeah.
good city, ma'am, Riva. And there is
Yeah.
a police training college. I have
Yeah.
visited twice there. Riva Police
Yeah.
Training School College.
Okay. That's great.
So, ma'am, nowadays you are learning this language. So, I would like to ask one thing. What are you doing for learning this language? Like nowadays, you are taking this type of session. Apart from this session, apart from taking this type of session, what are you doing? You are doing anything else?
Yeah, I taught teaching. I am teaching my kids, so I learn also. First, I learn then teach, and yeah, I am making my videos. Actually, I have YouTube channel. Recently, I started, so I'm making my personal video, practicing videos. So that's it. I'm not doing nothing and talking to my kids and siblings.
Okay, okay. That's
Yeah.
great, ma'am. Okay. Now we can see, ma'am, nowadays there are lots of housewives. They are learning this language.
Yeah, you it's a need for teaching kids. I think yeah, I feel too much uh, need to this language and also this subject, because after when I started teaching means when my younger son started going to school, that time I feel too confusion means how I teach, because I didn't know reading, writing, anything. So yeah, I started learning and teaching. I used to this thing, and now I am
Okay, okay,
speaking with you. Yeah.
okay, okay. That's great, ma'am. So you are you are reading any books, and you usually watch English conversation video on YouTube.
Yeah, I actually I not focus too much reading because I have not too much time. I have housework and take caring kids. So yeah, I watch some videos when while working my house chores. That time I used to listen, and and I teach my kids also. I read her book, his books, and all things. Then I teach his.
Okay, okay, ma'am. That's great. So, ma'am, how long have you been learning this language? When did you start your English speaking journey? Could you please tell me?
Speaking journey. Before two, yeah, 4 months.
Okay, okay. But I can see you are very confident. You are looking very confident, and you are speaking very good.
After making my YouTube channel, I don't know how I gain confident. Means my first video, I very nervous, and I think all time I upload or not, what people say about me. But yeah, after means I made video and upload there, so I overcome my fear.
Yes, ma'am. It happens initially. This type of things everyone face because we don't know like how can we face camera. But when we
Yeah.
start our channel, so we can face camera and we can enhance our communication skills and we can gain our confidence level. So this is very good thing, ma'am.
Yeah. And I have one question, because your English is very good and your grammar, all things very good. So I have one question, means how we know what is our level. I am beginner, yeah, I am intermediate. How we know and what should we learn? Uh, means if I beginner, so what first we learn? If I intermediate, so what we learn? This thing I want to know.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Just ma'am. So first of all, ma'am, like a person is beginner, and how can we identify I'm
Uh,
beginner or not? So if you are not expressing our thoughts and ideas in articulate manner, like if we can't make any sentence, how can we make sentence structure? So it means we are
mm,
beginner, and while speaking, we face like underconfident, and we most of the time we stuck. So this is the
mhm.
you can say sign of a beginner. And
Okay.
if you are good at speaking, like if you're using good vocab and your confidence level is good, you can talk in front of anyone. So I think we are in intermediate level and advanced level. We are using idiomatic expression, because
Mm-hmm.
lots of people, man, like I have been following 1 years and 2 years, but they usually talk like a very basic English. Like they don't use good vocab, and they don't use idiomatic expression. They speak,
Mm-hmm.
but like if you are not speaking good after one
Mm-hmm.
year and 2 years, so this is not
Mm-hmm.
good for us. So
Yeah.
that's why like so this
Actually,
is the
this is
we can say.
question for me. I choose this question for myself because I don't know what is my level. What should I learn next? So that's why I choose this question. Yeah.
According to my opinion, ma'am, you are above the beginner level. We can't say you are a beginner, because you are expressing your thoughts in very prominent manner. Your confidence level is good, so we can say you are not a beginner. You know what is how can we make sentence, what is the sentence structure. So I think you can say you above the beginner level. But you can say if you practice daily basis and you maintain your consistency, so you can learn this language very easily. Because I realized
So what?
that this is not.
Uh-huh.
I realized, ma'am, English is not a big deal, because your mother tongue is Hindi.
Yeah, my mother tongue Hindi. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
am
So
mother tongue is Hindi.
yes, yes. Sorry, I forgot. So when we compare our mother tongue, so English is easy, because in our mother tongue 52 alphabets, and when you
Yeah.
compare to English in only 26, and but this is dynamic language. But if we maintain our consistency, we practice daily basis, so ma'am, we can learn this language.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Hello.
Right. Yeah, yeah, you are right. I can listen you properly.
Okay, okay. Ma'am. So I would like to suggest you, ma'am, like. You should practice daily basis, and you can talk yourself, you can practice. Like nowadays you are running YouTube channel, so you can upload your solo videos. After
Okay.
editing, while speaking, we are making some mistakes, so there is no need to worry about it, because everyone makes
Mm,
mistakes, and I am also
yeah.
usually make grammatical mistakes. I know all the grammar rules and everything, but in spite of while speaking lots of time I make grammatical mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday I was taking a session with Shruti ma'am. He is
Mm-hmm.
the English Yari, and
Mm-hmm.
I used one or two sentences. So he told me this is wrong. Like suppose I have used a sentence like whenever I go to outside. So he
Mm-hmm.
told me don't use to go outside. This is correct, because we are
Yeah.
using here outside. So don't use go to outside. So
Yeah.
I learned lots of things. So and one more thing, everyone try to acquire knowledge, and
Yeah.
already always ready to be acquire knowledge. This is very necessary thing, so that we can
Yeah.
learn lots of things and new things.
Yeah. Mm. Thank you for
Because ma'am,
guidance.
I know lots of grammar rules, because I have been preparing for my competitive exam since the last since 2017. So I know everything, like what is the noun, pronoun, what is the parts of speech, what is the function of noun, what is the functionality of adjective. I know everything, but in spite of, I make some grammatical mistakes. So, but we should not think about mistakes.
Yeah, when I try to learn nowadays, I try to learn grammar, but I learn and while speaking, I forget all things. So
It happens,
yeah,
ma'am. It happens. So I think there is no need to learn too much grammar if you want to be a good speaker. So like if you have a basic knowledge about grammar, like if you have knowledge about tenses and modals, so you can
yeah.
convey your idea in prominent manner. Tenses is very
Actually,
important,
I
ma'am.
confused about modals. You know, I'm very confused. That time means I quit. I not learn means I speak with people and automatically I learn. I will learn automatically.
Yes, we in speaking we usually use ma'am 4 to 5 modals like can, could, will, would, and should. So there is no need to worry about it. If we have a good knowledge of tenses, so we can speak very easily because tense is very
I
important.
only learned continuous tense and simple tense, indefinite tense only. I know I know, and I not learn too much tenses.
Because ma'am, suppose while speaking, if you are not using right tenses, so the listeners will be confused that what do I want to say. So that's why.
Say yeah, right. Yeah,
But I think there is no need to worry about it grammar because in speaking, if we are beginner, so there is no need to worry about it. But if you want to be a good intermediate and advanced speaker, so we can learn a grammar after crossing this level. Because like suppose you
mm,
want to be a teacher, if we are making grammatical mistakes, so this is not good for our students. So that's why this is
yeah,
necessary. But if you want to be a only speaker, and if we can convey our thoughts and ideas, if someone's, it means ma'am we know English.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good.
You can ask me anything, ma'am.
I have only one question I have, and I also ask. And if you have questions, so you can ask.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So ma'am, when did you start your YouTube channel?
Last last month, last 2 month.
Okay, okay, last 2 months. That's great.
I think I uploaded my one video on August 5 August. I uploaded
Okay,
my
okay,
one video.
that's great, ma'am. So how did you know
Yeah.
about my channel, ma'am? Anyone
Uh,
suggest you?
Anisha, English with Anisha Di.
Okay,
She
okay,
told me about all things. Yes, he is good person. You talk with his English is very good. And yes, she already shared your video. So I watched your video. After that, I message you.
okay, okay. That's great, ma'am. I'm not a good speaker. I'm also learner, but I have been learning this language since 1 year. So that's why I can express my
Yeah,
thoughts in very articulate manner, and I'm very confident. I'm not doing here
yeah,
PhD in English, but if we can convey our
yeah.
idea, so we know English, ma'am.
Yeah, it's the just language. I know. You know, first I don't know English language means I treat always like a subject. But when I knows, yeah, this is language. So I curious about all things like how this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, because we have been learning this language as a subject since our childhood.
Yeah,
So, but now we have to learn this language like not a subject. This is a language, so we have to take as a language. And if we have good command over this language, so we can talk confidently. We feel very energetic because we usually go outside. Whenever we go to our outside from our comfort zone, so we
yeah,
feel some uncomfortable, and we face this type of problem. So that's why
yeah,
nowadays English is very necessary, ma'am. So
yeah.
you are putting your 100%, and you are learning this language. So this is very good thing. This is appreciable.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So have you ever chance to visit, ma'am, Ratlam district or Ujjain and Indore?
Actually, Ujjain I visited, but mandir, Mahakal Mandir.
Mahaka.
Yeah,
Okay.
I visited there, but Ratlam I didn't. If I have chance, then I will visit definitely.
Yes, most welcome, ma'am. Because Ujjain is very famous for Mahakal
Yeah,
temple. So that's why usually lots of people come for worship.
yeah, yeah,
And and the Indore is education hub in our MP. So that's why lots of people come from education, and this is, you can say, industrial area.
yeah.
So you will upload this video on YouTube, ma'am?
Yeah, this video I will definitely upload on YouTube.
Okay, okay. So you can
Actually,
upload.
I recently started talking to person. Anisha Di suggests me you make conversation to people, so you gain your confidence and you gain your vocabs and all things. So that I means I talk yes, third person. person I talk with you, like, yeah.
Okay, okay. So you have completed your third to only 3 to 4 session.
Yeah,
Okay, so you can upload this video on YouTube, ma'am.
yeah.
I am very glad to be the part of this conversation.
For
Okay, ma'am.
guidance, and it's very nice conversation.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, and thanks for Anisha, ma'am. She gives my number. She gave my
Yeah,
number.
yeah. She guide me like my elder sister. She's very means she's very nice lady.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.